Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Genius of English books. Today, we are going to understand the degrees of adverbs in a simple and easy way. Adverbs can show different levels of comparison, and these levels are called degrees. There are three main degrees of adverbs: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Let's start with the positive degree. The positive degree shows no comparison. It simply tells us about an action without comparing it with anyone or anything else. For example, fast. Next comes the comparative degree. The comparative degree is used when we make a comparison between two people, actions, or things. It helps us show that one action is greater or different than another. Examples: faster and more carefully. Finally, we have the superlative degree. The superlative degree is used for comparison among more than two. It shows the highest or greatest level in a group. Examples: fastest and most carefully. So, remember this easy flow: positive degree no comparison. Comparative degree comparison between two. Superlative degree comparison among more than two. Now, let's move further and understand the positive degree of adverbs. The positive degree is the basic form of the adverb. It is used when no comparison is made. We simply describe the action in a sentence. The common structure is subject plus verb plus adverb. Let's understand this with examples. He runs fast. Here, the adverb fast tells us how he runs. They worked carefully. In this sentence, carefully describes the way they worked. She sings beautifully. The word beautifully explains how she sings. Another example is Rahul speaks politely. Here, politely describes Rahul's manner of speaking. So, in the positive degree, the adverb only gives information about the action. There is no comparison between two or more people or actions. That is why it is called the basic form of the adverb. Today we are learning about the comparative degree. The comparative degree compares to actions, persons, or things. Its basic pattern is subject plus verb plus comparative adverb plus than. The image also clearly shows that we use than after the comparative degree. Let us look at the examples given in the picture. She sings more beautifully than her sister. He runs faster than Rahul. They worked more carefully than before. Riya speaks more politely than Neha. The image also gives an important correction. Incorrect, more faster. Correct, faster. So, when we compare two things, we use the comparative form correctly and add than after it. Now let's understand the superlative degree of adverbs. The superlative degree is used when we compare more than two people, actions, or things and show the highest degree of quality or action. Structure: subject plus verb plus the plus superlative adverb plus comparison group. Remember, we usually use the before a superlative degree. Examples: she sings the most beautifully in the group. Here, most beautifully shows that her singing is better than everyone else in the group. He runs the fastest in the class. Fastest shows the highest speed among all the students. They worked the most carefully of all. This sentence shows that they worked more carefully than everyone else. Rahul answered the best. Best is the superlative form showing the highest quality of answering. Now remember an important point. Do not use most with adverbs that already take est form. Incorrect, most hardest. Correct, hardest. So, superlative degree helps us express the highest level of an action among many. Now let's learn about adverbs ending in ly in comparative and superlative degree. Most adverbs ending in ly use more for the comparative degree, most for the superlative degree. Look at these forms: beautifully, more beautifully, most beautifully; carefully, more carefully, most carefully; slowly, more slowly, most slowly; clearly, more clearly, most clearly; politely, more politely, most politely. Examples: she spoke more clearly than before. Here, more clearly is the comparative degree because it compares two situations. He answered the most politely in the class. Here, most politely is the superlative degree because it shows the highest level among many. Now remember an important rule. Do not add er or est to adverbs ending in ly. Incorrect: beautifuler, beautifulest. Correct: more beautifully, most beautifully. So, adverbs ending in ly generally use more and most to form comparative and superlative degrees. Let's move to the short adverbs rule. The rule is simple. For short adverbs, add er for the comparative degree and est for the superlative degree. For example, fast, faster, fastest; hard, harder, hardest; soon, sooner, soonest; and late, later, latest. Now look at the examples on the screen. We say, he runs faster than Amit and she worked the hardest of all. Remember, we do not say fastly or more fast. The correct forms are faster, hardest, and sooner. So, the main point is, short adverbs is equal to er and est. Stand irregular adverbs. Some adverbs do not follow the regular rules of adding er, est, more, or most. Their comparative and superlative forms change completely. Look at these forms: well, better, best; badly, worse, worst; little, less, least; much more, most; far, farther, further, farthest, furthest. Examples: she sings better than Ria. Here, better is the comparative form of well. Rahul performed the best in the competition. Here, best is the superlative form showing the highest degree. He behaved worse than before. Here, worse is the comparative form of badly. Now remember these incorrect forms. Incorrect: goodly, badliya; more badly. Correct: well, worse, best. So, irregular adverbs have special comparative and superlative forms that must be learned separately. Now let's revise some important rules of degrees of adverbs. Rule 1. Use than after the comparative degree. Examples: he runs faster than Rahul. She speaks more politely than her sister. Here, the comparative degree compares to people or actions, so we use than. Rule 2. Use the before the superlative degree. Example: he runs the fastest in the class. Here, the fastest shows the highest degree among all. Rule 3. Do not use double comparison. Incorrect: more faster; most hardest. Correct: faster; hardest. Use either more, most, or est, but never both together. Rule 4. Adverbs ending in ly usually use more and most. Examples: more carefully; most beautifully. So, these rules help us use comparative and superlative adverbs correctly and clearly in sentences. Now let's understand the difference between adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives. Adjectives modify or describe nouns or pronouns. Examples: he is a fast runner. Here, fast describes the noun runner. She is beautiful. Here, beautiful describes the pronoun she. Rahul is careful. Here, careful describes the noun Rahul. So, an adjective describes a person, place, thing, or pronoun. Adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Examples. He runs fast. Here, fast describes the verb runs. She sings beautifully. Here, beautifully describes the verb sings. Rahul worked carefully. Here, carefully describes the verb worked. So, an adverb describes an action or the way something happens. Remember, adjective describes noun or pronoun. Adverb describes action or verb. So students, today we learn about the degrees of adverbs, their rules, types, comparisons, and the difference between adjectives and adverbs. I hope this lesson helped you understand the topic in a simple and clear way. If you enjoyed this class, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English grammar lessons. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English every day. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next class.